Yeah, I'm just a fucking Canadian, man. You know, like, I don't know, man. I just want to fucking make beats and produce music. It is what it is, right? Like, small for now, but I see a vision. I've seen a vision in 2019 that Lucid Lab Records is going to be the next big thing. And I'm telling you, man, and my next best thing, at least. And I'm making a fucking legacy, man, you know, and I'm helping anybody that wants to join, because this shit, like, anybody can do it. 6 months to learn the basics, but it's really not taking me too much to fucking learn, man. I understand a lot about the way frequency works and a lot of how to manipulate it, and it coming into music makes it a whole lot better. We can do some fucking big shit, man. I'm telling you, I know quite a bit that I've known for a while, and like, just the way, yeah, I don't know. I wish we could do video call, man. It'd be cool to do video call.